This is a bit tragic and a bit disappointing, actually. This live stream has just been shared from British Columbia. It's about new rules and regulations about getting doctors into the country because they've got a dire situation. Is it because of this that they have this dire situation? Possibly. It's very, very unsettling and unnerving, and a different approach to trying to resolve a situation that is not fixing itself because they're not changing the legislation.
In memory of the 32 Canadian doctors who died suddenly after receiving the Government of Canada mandated COVID-19 vaccines. Question everything, and God bless.
As my heart goes out to all the families of the doctors that are no longer here to do what they love to do with their lives. Encouraging and enticing doctors from other countries to fix your medical system because you've made grave errors, and the people are very angry and revolting almost, and who would not feel that way? Canada used to be a wonderful country. Now all I can say is, oh Canada, oh Canada. Sorry, that's a Kurrajong outside on my balcony. It's really, really sad and depressing. But listen to what this lady says. She's talking about bringing in a medical system that is digitised to make things quicker and faster so that you can have time for your family. You can have time to give your patients the direct need that they are there for. And that to me is a red flag. This is their way of trying to backdoor into the people. Once again, we have a problem that we caused, but now we also have a solution that we have. And you might even be able to get one of your family members from Pakistan or from Asia somewhere that's a fantastic doctor. I'm not doubting that these doctors are not going to be amazing, because I've had a lot of doctors that come from Indonesia here in Australia, and they are fantastic. They're able to do acupuncture, and they do more natural medicine as well. They are not as indoctrinated as the Australian doctors, trust me. So this is a positive for Canada. But the back door is the government are going to use this situation to get through into the New World Order.
Practice fully qualified doctors who have been dreaming about coming here but have only encountered roadblocks thus far will not only support our existing family doctors, but will be beneficial for our patients, so many of whom are looking for someone to take care of them now. We welcome this component of a much larger action plan to address challenges with family doctor shortages and lack of patient access. And making it so doctors trained elsewhere can easily move to British Columbia is a great step. I also know in my own journey, I'm a US trained physician, and this is a much needed relief to many of my colleagues looking to come to practice in British Columbia. BC's family doctors have made it clear to us that the challenges in primary care and that we are advocating on their behalf. Doctors of BC has been working collaboratively with the Health Ministry to bring about the changes to family medicine more appealing. Introducing the new family physician payment model is a huge component to strengthening the primary care in this province and improving the ability of foreign-trained doctors to come to British Columbia and practice is another critical component. We also know that all BC doctors face additional pressures, including administrative burdens that either take valuable time away from their direct patient care during the day or take valuable time away from their families in the evening. Administrative burdens that either take valuable time away from their direct patient care during the day or take valuable time away from their families in the evenings. We are advocating on behalf of BC doctors to address these burdens, to find better and more efficient ways of dealing with paperwork, charting, and electronic medical record components. We are also supportive and working with our government partners on changes to how primary care networks are working. So far, BC to admit more doctors in this province who are trained and have worked elsewhere in countries which we know the quality of the education and abilities of these doctors is a very crucial and important step, and we welcome it wholeheartedly. Foreign trained and experienced doctors are vital members of the BC's medical profession. Thank you very much for allowing us to be part of this celebration today.
Through the rain, though your conquers.
Are you coming home? Are you coming home? I just want to. Are you coming home? Are you coming home? I just want to.